Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today a product review guys, and we're going to be installing an LED bar on the Rover here that we've been working on. That Land Rover Discovery, and it's by Auxmart. Okay, we want to see what kind of quality it is, how it looks, and if it's a good bar. It's very affordable guys. Okay, it's on you can get it on Amazon. We'll have the link for it in the description of the video, so you can check it out. Okay, this is the company. You can see it comes with the mounts. You can see it comes with two mounts. It comes with the hardware, manual how to install it, how to adjust the angle, and all that cool features. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, pull it out, and it even has the protective layer. On some LEDs I've noticed that they don't have that. Okay, let's take those things off and see what it looks like. And one thing about it guys, what happened actually, if your vehicle is pre-wired, you just go ahead and buy this one. Otherwise you might need to buy the wire kit with the switch and relay. Okay, you should always run those through relay and fuse for safety, so you don't burn your car. And this is the one that we ordered. Okay, you can get them online pretty inexpensive. They're like 10 bucks, something like that, depending on how long of a wire you want. And that's the one we received. Okay, so we'll be installing this one. And okay, let's put the protective layer and actually see what the LED light looks like, because without protective layer it's almost impossible to see. And it has a different pattern. It has a spotlight and a floodlight, I believe. Okay, you can see this is a spotlight in the middle right here. So what means it goes straight that way. Floodlight, it spreads it more to the side. And as you can see the difference between those here. Okay, you see those are different from this. And this is the floodlight part on the outside. And on the other one as well. So we're going to put it on the Rover guys, install the wires, and we're going to see how it performs now. Okay guys, so what we did, this is the cable that is going to go towards the light, and we fed it through that cover right here. We didn't even remove it. Okay, we just pushed the seal here and we went underneath. The cable came here, we connected it to the 12-volt supply. Okay, right there, this is direct connection to the battery cable. And now, okay, right here, this is the fuse, relay, and the ground wire is right here. The wire that goes towards the switch inside goes through that seal right here. Okay, this is for the switch, and it comes right under the glove box right here. So we can get it through the bundle of wires that goes through the body there. Okay, and this is the wire now. So all we have to do, just connect this one to the switch. Okay, and you can actually hear it working now. Okay, so you can turn it on and off. You can hear it, even though we don't have the light on yet. Alright guys, we put the light there, but we need to actually fabricate the bracket a little bit so we can make it fit there on top of the Rover, but looks great. Let's turn it on and see if it works now. Okay, so the moment of the truth guys, let's see how it performs now. Okay, wow, that's it right here. Super bright. You can see spotlight in the middle. Okay, floodlight towards the outside. You can actually see it on the camera. Look at the angle that it gets. Okay, and this is daylight. Imagine it nighttime. Okay, all on. Okay, let's try one more time. You can see that's crazy good. So we definitely guys would recommend the product. We like it. It looks like it's well built. I mean, it's a very affordable product as well. So for an off-road vehicle, it will be great. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.